morning, this is Jeff with Kennedy Concrete. This morning we're out here in beautiful Riverview, Florida with our friend Cody Taylor of Taylor Concrete Designs. Best part about this job here today is this is Cody's second job on this job with us. So let's go out there and check out what Cody's doing for this customer. Cody!
Good morning, Jeff.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. Good seeing you again.
It's good to see you too.
What you got going on?
We're just pouring a little gazebo pad here for the Marie Crespo family household. It's part 2 for their job.
Part 2?
Yeah, we did a little lanai for them about a month and a half ago, and they want to set the mood a little bit better in the backyard. So.
You did such good work on that one, they asked you to come out again.
I guess so.
Mate, that's why you're a great partner.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
So, how many yards do we got today?
We got about 4 yards going down. I know the pad's pretty small, but there's there's an 8x10 footer on it all the way around, so got to account for the mud that's going to take to fill the volume of that footer up. So
good quality concrete?
Yes, sir.
Good workmanship?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.